Welcome back everyone. In this video, I will be actually showing you the new feature, which is the slides in Confluence. That's right, you don't have to go over and actually pivot between the PowerPoint and Confluence and just do the switching between the tabs on the meeting itself. So you can actually do everything from one point. Now, first of all, this feature is still in beta. If you don't see this feature available to you, that actually means it's still being rolled out. And for about a month or two, it's going to be generally available for everyone to actually use. So when I click on create here, I have this option right here where I can actually select slides. Now, there are different types of slides that you can actually create. So for example, you have to pitch an idea, run a training session, summarize findings, share a team overview, present project update, and much, much more. Now, since we're actually talking about the slides, we can take, for example, some of the interesting things, for example, like the reports for the stakeholders or the board of directors. So I'm going to say something like creates a presentation for board of directors where all of the profit slash loss is being shown for the past year until today. Make it look professional, and we're gonna say data oriented, include some charts and analytics data. I'm going to start with this, and now the robo is going to go through the whole thought process. Sometimes this is actually taking a quick roll. Sometimes you actually have to wait for it to do the whole thinking process. And after the thinking process has actually been done, it will start to actually generate the slides for you. So we're having some stuff. So it says it's gathered something from the workspace. All right, let me now create the board of directors, right? Okay, so as you can see, row is actually onto it. So it had this agenda being created. Okay, so yeah, of course, these are just placeholders. It's not just, saying what this actually is, right? So now we have, oh, this is actually pretty nice. I like this, where you can actually see the chart that has been created and also the pie chart that is actually created as well, the growth rate and everything else. So this is something that is going to be interesting to have a look at. So it's actually going more, and as you can see, it is actually doing a pretty good job based on that. So now it's creating forecast. This is the actuals, and from here, okay, this is interesting, and it even has the statuses, what is over the project, what is the under the budget, what is the income, and everything else. So what is the monthly revenue and net income? All right, even better, as you can see. So Rovo is doing some pretty serious stuff here, right? And from here, there's some actually options that later you can just, do differently. All right, strategic priorities and everything else. Yeah, and now it's saying thank you, questions, and the discussion. So all of these things were basically done, and now it's saying to us what basically it did. And now, yeah, this is something that I can do. I can say, you know what, I want to add this basically, let's say, project plan, right? And within the project plan, there we go. And from here, when we actually hit on the presentation, it is actually really going through the presentation itself. And each of these are the slides for themselves. And of course, they can be changed. But as you can see, this right here, this is PowerPoint in Confluence, basically. And you can actually see all this data that was actually being generated in here. So it created around 10 slides, which is really enough, because you shouldn't really have a lot of slides, because people are going to get bored. And basically that's it. So yeah, this is the overview of the Confluence Slides feature. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel as well, and I'll see you guys in the upcoming videos. Enjoy your day. See ya. Bye.